Hello and welcome back. Today we have an easy story for you at an A2 level. It is about Anna and a special dinner. Don't worry about every word. Just relax, listen and follow along. Let's begin. Anna had lived on Maple Street for a while now, and she had good friends, Tom, her neighbour, Sam from the cafe, and Nina, the student. One day, she had an idea. "I will invite my friends for dinner," she said. "I want to say thank you for being so kind to me." Anna made a list of people to invite, Tom, Sam, and Nina. She called them all. "Would you like to come to my home for dinner on Saturday?" "Yes, we'd love to," they all said. Anna was happy. Now she had 3 guests coming. On Saturday, Anna was busy. She wanted everything to be perfect. In the morning, she bought fresh food. Then, in the afternoon, she began to cook. She cooked a big pot of soup and she made a salad. The kitchen smelled wonderful. She also made a cake for after dinner. Cooking for 4 people was hard work, but Anna enjoyed it. When the food was ready, she began to set the table. She put out 4 plates, 4 glasses and forks and knives. She put some flowers in the middle of the table and she lit 2 candles. "Perfect," she said. At 7 o'clock, the doorbell rang. Her guests had arrived. Tom brought flowers. Sam brought a bottle of juice. Nina brought chocolates. "Welcome, come in," said Anna. Everyone sat down at the beautiful table. "This looks wonderful," said Sam. "Please help yourself," said Anna. Everyone took some soup and some salad. They ate, they talked, and they laughed. "Anna, you are a wonderful cook," said Nina. Anna smiled. She was so happy. After the soup and salad, they ate the cake. Then they sat and talked for a long time. It was a warm, happy evening. "Thank you for inviting us," said Tom. "You have a lovely home." "Thank you all for coming," said Anna. "You are my friends, and this is my home now." Late that night, when everyone had gone home, Anna washed the plates. She was tired, but she was smiling. She had come to Maple Street all alone. Now she had friends, a home, and a full, happy heart. Let's review some useful words from the story. To invite, to ask someone to come to an event or to your home. Anna invited her friends for dinner, a guest, a person you invite to your home. Anna had 3 guests, to cook, to prepare food, usually with heat. Anna cooked soup and made a salad, to set the table, to put the plates, glasses and forks on the table before a meal. Anna set the table beautifully, and dinner, the main meal of the day, in the evening. They all had dinner together. Finally, a warm thing a host says to their guests. "Help yourself," it means please take what you would like to eat. "Help yourself," said Anna. That's our story for today. Anna cooked dinner for her good friends, and her home was full of laughter. Did you follow it? Watch it again tomorrow, and you will understand even more. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next story.